ever seen ethnic prints on fabrics and wondered, how is this even made? Well, today, I'm breaking it all down. From a blank artboard to a fully colored, seamless ethnic motif, using only Adobe Illustrator. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own motifs and turn them into repeat patterns. So let's jump right in. I'm starting with a YouTube-sized artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Before drawing anything, I've already picked my color palette for today. Step 1. Create this flower with the help of the mirror tool. Select the line segment tool and draw a straight vertical line. Then go to Object, Repeat, Mirror. I'll delete the original line because we only needed it to activate the repeat. Anything I draw on the left side will automatically appear on the right. Perfect symmetry with half the effort. Let's build our first motif element, a flower petal, with the help of the brush tool. I select all my colors. Go to Swatches, New Color Group. Click OK. Now select the petal, fill it with an orange shade. And I fill the inner shape with a darker shade. To exit mirror mode, double-click outside the artwork. Double-click to activate mirror mode. Select everything, then use the Shape Builder tool to select and delete the sections. And just like that, we have one complete petal. Now select the petal. Go to Object, Repeat, Radial. Illustrator creates a circular flower automatically. From here, you can increase or decrease the number of petals. I reduce the number of petals to 5. To finish, with the help of the ellipse tool, I'll create a circle. Then, I'll press Ctrl+F to copy the circle and adjust it to fit inside the bigger circle. I'll place it at the center of our petal, and our flower is complete. I'll keep this flower side. It'll come in handy later. I repeat the same process to create one more flower. Step 2. Creating an leaf art brush. First, select the ellipse tool and create a circle. Then, using the eyedropper tool, change the color to a lighter green. Press Ctrl+F to paste a copy of the circle in front. Select both circles. Open the Pathfinder panel, click Divide. Click and delete to remove extra shapes. Now, select the Polygon tool, click on the artboard, and change the number of sides to 3. Stretch the shape and position it inside the leaf. Select all. Open the Pathfinder panel, click Divide. Remove extra shapes. Select the Polygon tool and stretch the shape to create the stem. Select the Pen tool and add shading inside. Fill with darker shade. Select all, use Pathfinder, select Divide and Delete. Place the leaf on the stem. Press Ctrl+F to copy this, then repeat the process. Select all and align them equally. Press Ctrl+F, right-click, choose Transform, Reflect, and click OK. Select all, press Ctrl+G to group the artwork. Now, we will rotate the artwork. Now go to the Brush panel. New Brush. Select Art Brush. Under Colorization, choose Tints and Shades so you can change the brush color later. It's important. And hit OK. Try it out with the Paintbrush tool. Look at that smooth, flowing stroke. You can also change the color. Use this technique to add details to your motifs, paisleys, and leaves. Using the same mirror technique, I created more flowers. Let's put this in time-lapse mode. I'll arrange everything, and with the help of the mirror technique, I'll create more leaves. As you can see, using only the mirror and brush techniques, our motif is complete. Step 3. Seamless pattern to pattern fill. Select your motif, then go to Object Pattern Make. From here, you can adjust the repeat type. I'm using break by row. Brick offset staggers every other row or column in a pattern to create a more natural, flowing repeat. And copies controls the number of pattern repeats across a single row. Hit Done. Illustrator shows a preview and adds it to your swatches panel. Let's try it out. Select and fill it with your new pattern. And there you go, a perfect seamless ethnic motif ready for prints, fabrics, or wallpapers. Right-click and choose Transform, then select Scale. The Scale option allows you to resize your object proportionally or non-proportionally by dragging the handles or entering exact values. And that's it, from a single flower to a full, colored, seamless motif. Now you know how to create beautiful ethnic designs in Illustrator. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a creative tutorial. A comment below, what motif will you create first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.